Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. Today's video is specifically tailored to help the iPhone users who are looking for solutions on how to skip on unable to activate screen. Now if you're the one facing the similar issue where you are stuck on unable to activate screen on iPhone, we assure you that your search ends right here. This issue generally happens when your iPhone is unable to connect to the Apple servers to activate your iPhone with your Apple ID credentials. Now, if this fails, it entirely blocks you from making use of your own device, which indeed is frustrating. Therefore, without adding any more frustration with talking, let's skip directly to the solution. To help you rescue from this situation, you need to seek help of a highly proficient tool, Alt Phone Activation Unlocker. With this tool, you can effortlessly bypass unable to activate screen and make use of your iPhone again. Here's what you need to do. Download the tool from official website or from the link available in the description. Install it and launch it over. Now click on Remove iCloud Activation Lock. Then hit on Start, read and accept the disclaimer. Connect your device to the PC. After your device is recognized, it will start downloading the Jailbreak tool automatically. Once done, connect a blank USB drive to the PC and select it. Click Start to burn the Jailbreak tool in the flash drive. After the completion, the step-by-step instructions will be displayed on your screen. Next, you need to boot your PC using the flash drive and perform the jailbreak. For that, click on Restart your computer option and confirm it. Once your computer restarts, hit the F12 key several times to enter the boot menu. Select the USB storage device and click Enter to proceed. Now you will enter Jailbreak Wizard. Go to Options and select Allow untested iOS and skip all BPR check options and go back. Click the Start button and you will be asked to put your device into recovery mode. Hit Next and the wizard will automatically put your device in recovery mode. Now follow the on-screen instructions to put your device into DFU mode. Once your iPhone enters DFU mode, the jailbreaking process will start, and within a short time, the jailbreak process will complete. Ensure to keep your device connected and boot your PC back into Windows. Launch Alt Phone Activation Unlocker and opt for Remove iCloud Activation Lock. Then hit on Start, accept the disclaimer, let the tool detect your device and push the Start button. And that's it. You have successfully bypassed unable to activate screen, and that too without the need of Apple ID or password. You can now set up your device per usual. Once your device is up, sign into a new Apple ID using the App Store and enjoy the limitless access to apps and options that were restricted by Apple before. Well, that was all for today. We hope that this video helped you, and if it does, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Also, subscribe our channel for more helpful tech related videos. Thanks for watching.